Hi dear traders. Today, based on our last two sessions that we talk about two kinds of indicator. This one is a parabolic SAR and this is the stochastic indicator, for example. It is very much obvious that we can make a certain strategy, for example, if we want to use both of them as the indicators that are in our strategy. For example, if we'll say that we want to get into the market when both of these indicators actually show or point to the same direction, then this is possible to automate this strategy, for example, using this tool, which is MetaTrader 4, this terminal that we see here. But first, let us understand what a certain strategy can be using, for example, these two indicators. For example, if we'll see that this specific indicator, the stochastic, actually breaks above the 80 level, and we'll have to sell when it breaks the 80 level, for example, but we look for confirmation from this main indicator, the parabolic SAR. Let's see where we could have got into the market. Now, this is the 1 hour chart of the gold, meaning that this is the 2nd in December, and this is today. Let's look for places that we could enter the graph, we could enter the game, we could enter our investment. For example, the big, for example, from this point, we would probably, from this point on, we would probably search for a buy, right? We will probably search for a buy. And we will get this confirmation right about here. Okay, so from this point up until that point, for example, it would actually have this candle would be ours, for example. Okay, this candle actually worth a lot of pips. Okay, it's actually the candle that takes us from 1247 to 1228. This is around 20 whole points in gold, which said that we could have made a lot of money on this. If we want to create and automate a strategy that will automatically execute these kind of trades, it is very much possible. By the way, I'm just gonna show you how to get these indicators and drawing out of the chart. If I'll simply put on indicators list, I can see I have two indicators on my chart. I can get out these indicators. This drawing here, it's actually an object that I can very easily delete from the chart. Here it's there again, and I can invent a new strategy now. Thank you very much. That was my explanation about how to use these indicators in order to create or invent a strategy. Later on, we should learn how to actually automate this strategy in order to be in the market all the time and don't miss any opportunity based on our strategy. Thank you very much.